Good to see you. My name is Susanna and I am your host for today. I'm an actor and writer right here in New York City, and I'm excited to do a little warm-up. Okay, to get started, let's move our shoulders backwards. Whew, should feel really good. Pretend your shoulders are like two bicycle wheels going in a circle, and then move forward. All right, and maybe up and then down, up and then let it go. Great. Now let's warm up the face muscles. We're going to take a piece of bubble gum. It's an imaginary piece of bubble gum. I'm going to imagine that this imaginary piece of bubble gum is watermelon flavor. What flavor is yours? So I'm going to pop that in my mouth. It's really big. Real hard to chew, but chew it up. Very good. Some bubble gum and spit it out into an imaginary garbage can, of course. Okay, now we're gonna stretch out our whole body. We're gonna get really big and stick our tongue out. We're like a lion or a starfish or a dinosaur. Get really big and then get really small, so small, like a raisin or an ant or a grain of salt. That's really small. And then really big again, like a bear, and let that go. I feel really warm. I hope you do too, and I hope you're ready for a fun lesson with your teaching artists. All right, see you back here in a little bit.
Hey everyone, my name is Midori. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm a musician in Chicago, Illinois. Here in Illinois, it's starting to get very cold this time of year and it's turning to winter. There's always ice on the ground during my walk to school, and sometimes I get to watch the snow fall outside the window. As a musician, one of my favorite parts about winter is hearing all of the music that's always happening in the nature around me. So today we will be talking about the music of wintertime. To get started, let's close our eyes. In your mind, imagine going to your favorite place to be in the winter. Maybe that's outside playing in the snow, or maybe it's inside staying warm. Maybe it's walking outside, enjoying the lights of the city, or maybe you're enjoying the stillness and the peacefulness of the chilly dark. Now take yourself to that place and open your ears. What music do you hear? By music, I mean all of the sounds happening around you. So what sounds do you hear of this wintry place where you are? Maybe you hear the snow crackling under your feet as you walk. Maybe you hear geese flying above you. Or maybe you hear the rhythm of the hail hitting your window. Open your eyes. And now take a minute to write a list of all of the sounds that you would hear in that special wintry place. You can write them down or illustrate them. Take a minute to do that. I said in the beginning that I'm a musician, which means that I'm someone that plays music on an instrument. But I'm also a composer, and a composer is someone that writes music or writes songs. Recently, I had a snow day from school, maybe you've had one recently too, where I didn't have to go to school because a blizzard came through, so I couldn't get there. Instead, I spent the day writing music. I was a composer that day. I'd like to share one of the pieces I wrote with you during that snow day now. This piece of music does not have any words, it doesn't even have musical notes, but instead it's made up of all wintry sounds that I recorded during my snow day. I took those sounds and I added them into my computer and then mixed them all together into what we call a soundscape. A soundscape is music that makes us feel like we're in a certain place. And a soundscape is usually very meditative, peaceful, and relaxing. I'm going to play my soundscape for you now, And as you listen, I'd like you to go back to that list of sounds that you heard when we closed our eyes and imagined we were in that wintry place. As you listen, add the sounds that you hear in my soundscape to that list. So if you hear ice or if you hear birds, illustrate that or write that on your list. Then we'll look at those lists together at the end. Here is my soundscape called Snow Days. Take a look at your list. Did you hear footsteps in the snow, hail falling, ice crackling, birds calling, and water dripping? Now with your list, you've got a soundscape of your own. You've got this list that includes sounds that you might hear in your favorite wintry place and sounds that you did hear in my soundscape. I'd like you to take that list and share it with someone nearby to show them all the wintry music that you heard today. Thanks for joining me. Have a good winter.
Hi guys, welcome back. So we're gonna do some reflection from that teaching notice lesson. So first we're gonna take our fingers to our temples. Temple is right above the ear, in towards the forehead. Rub it around a little bit and think about what you thought about today. What new things came up? Did you learn anything new? Any skills? Curious about anything? Take that in and breathe it out. Let that go. Now put your hands on your heart and breathe in to your heart and think about what are the things that you felt today. Did you feel excited? Did you feel scared, nervous? And sometimes that happens when you're trying something new. Did you feel curious? And breathe that in. You can close your eyes like I am, or you can keep them open. And out. Okay, now take your hands to your hips and look as if you're staring off into a distance like you're a superhero. And think about what brave new thing did you do today? Because it is brave to try something new. So what brave thing did you try today? Breathe in. Breathe out. And shake it out a little bit. And give yourself a hug. Just give yourself a nice hug. Close your eyes if you want to. Keep them open. And say, I tried something new. Breathe in, breathe out, and let that go. I will see you next time. It's good to see you. I hope you had a good time.